this Valentine's Wellness Wednesday, our wellness expert has a suggestion on how you could spend time with your significant other without spending a dime. Life and mental health coach Cheryl Bridges is suggesting nature walks as opposed to roses and chocolates. Now, she says this is a way to connect with your surroundings and also with your partner. Bridges believes this type of romantic venture allows you to become centered with those you love for free and exercise your way to better physical and mental health.
Even on an individual basis, studies show that being in the outdoors is going to help you relax. It's going to improve your mood. It's going to raise your oxygen levels in your brain. But then as a couple, it's going to give you an opportunity to start appreciating nature together, actually seeing things while you're walking that you've probably never seen. It's going to cause you again to reconnect with your loved one without the distractions of the normal day.
Any Cheryl's pearls for folks to consider while they're on that outdoor nature walk?
Yeah, sure. We're talking about a walk. So WALK, right? That nature walk is going to, one, help you to improve your well-being for both you and your partner. It's going to probably spark some affection that may not have been there because that's going to be a romantic walk, hopefully. Then there's the love. You're going to be able to spark that love again of spending time with each other. And then finally, it's going to kindle some new conversations, things that wouldn't normally take place if you weren't outside enjoying nature.
And health experts say you can walk for about 30 minutes. Now, Bridges says it's not just about the destination, it's about the journey, experiencing nature with your partner, your loved one, or just yourself. All right, your time right now on this Wednesday morning is 7:51. Valentine's Day will cost a pretty penny for people around the country.
Oh, yeah, it can be expensive. And look at how much more